Hello and welcome back. I've got together a date run, but remember the spare 2000 and the 2020 Brexit coin. The other one that I needed for circulation, the circulation one, needs to go in my master album. So that's my master album now up to date. I've just got the iguanodon, which I do have a spare of somewhere amongst the rest of my coins over there, which I need to put in there. I've got two sheets here, which I will now take out of there. Now we've got the old style and the new style. We've got the old style. First one was 1869, so you got 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. We just start off 97 there, I think it is. These are all in date order now. 98, 99. What I did with all of these was basically put them into these flips. 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then that's the 2008 was the Britannia. I've actually got that marked on the wrong side, so this is 2008 low mintage. Low mintage Britannia. Right. 2008 Shield. Then you got 9, 10, 11, which are all NIFCs. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 is an NIFC, 17, 18, 2019. Okay, with these ones here, I now need to make just little dated efforts available. So (2009). I'm just reusing the placeholders that I don't need anymore. 2010, 2011, 2016, 2018. I need to get one more from somewhere for 2020. Okay, so that's the date run now that I've got together. Let me just put these in their right places. There's 10, 11, 16, 18 and 2009. I need to get placeholders made out for others, for the pre-decimal, from the large size ones, and I need to find the space now in the album for this. Those are the normal 50p's. Those are the full set of Olympics, apart from the Lions Across the Aquaface and also the Blue Peter Athletics one. I'm living a bit of hope there. That's the Beatrix Potter set. These are the Paddingtons and all of the 50p's in the children's characters. So the last two in there, of course, are Wallace the Gromit and the Snowman. I now need to sort the rest of my book out to find a space to put these in. In the meantime, while I'm doing that, I'll end this particular hunt with you and say thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please put a thumbs up. Please join the channel by hitting the drawn a blank. By hitting the subscribe button. If you want to see more of the stuff that I'm doing in my coin collecting. If you're having a hunt yourself or you're collecting coins yourself, I hope you find what you want. Until the next time, ta-ra for now.